In this training video, I'm going to teach you how to search for properties that are what we call upside down. So meaning upside down on their mortgage. Now, the very first thing that we want to do is select a location. Or then what are we looking for? So in this case, we are looking for upside down properties. Now, these are going to be properties where the mortgage balance of what they owe is higher than the estimated value. Now, a lot of people say, well, why in the world would you target that? This is really investor specific to those investors looking to potentially negotiate a short sale. And that's when the bank is willing to take less than what is owed. So this could be a highly motivated seller. We're going to go ahead and click that. Now, the one thing I want to just keep in mind is that these are all types of properties at this point. So this is any kind of property. It could be a mobile home, could be multifamily, and so on. Now, if we go in there, here, I really want you to focus on that absentee owner, right? So is that necessarily better than if we went owner occupied? You know, if your mortgage is upside down, if they still live there, doesn't mean they want to sell. They just want to live there. But it still could be a potential deal. So you should be targeting mostly just the absentee owner. And this is somebody that's moved on. They don't live in the property, but they still owe. I'm going to then go and select my property type in this example. I'm just going to go for that single family house. Value really depends on, your price range. If you can negotiate a short sale, what is that price range? And that's going to be very area specific. Now, potential equity, we put in that it has to be a -1 is the max, meaning that their loan balance is more than the estimated value. Okay. You could remove any kind of HELOCs or any reverse mortgages out of here, and then fine tune this with your attributes. If you're looking for specific, bedrooms and bathrooms and square feet and lot size and year built and last sold date. And what type of owner are you looking for? Generally, I like to go more for the individual owned. Okay. And look, I know they're upside down. If they don't live in the property, there's that sense of motivation to get rid of the property. And most of the time, sellers don't even think they can actually sell the property because they owe more. So again, a good lead source for those that are looking to work with owners in doing a short sale. I'm going to go ahead and apply those filters. You can see this number go way down. I can then take this, select all, add it to a marketing campaign, save it to my properties, maybe do a individual skip trace since there's only 16 of them, or I could export this particular list and do something else with it. So hope this training video helped, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.